Jai Hind everyone and welcome back to your physics classes. In last videos we have learnt about conduction and convection modes of transfer of heat, and in this video we will start with the third mode of transfer of heat, and that is radiation. Radiation is the fastest mode of transfer of heat in which no medium is required. In fact, we can say that in radiation, whether the medium is present or not, it doesn't matter for it. The heat always travels from the hot object to the cooler object without any medium or without any need of medium. That means if we take a great appropriate example of sun, the sun rays come from sun to earth and there is nothing in between the two. That means it is traveling through vacuum. Once it reaches the atmosphere, though the gaseous medium starts over there, then also it doesn't depend upon the medium of atmosphere. It goes directly and heats up the crust of the earth. So radiation is the process where no medium is actually required. And the next important thing is, whenever radiation is occurring, it will never heat the medium in which the heat is being traveled. For example, during winter days we all like to sit in sun. We all do all daily chores and then we go and sit in sun so that we get some warmth. So if you have experienced this, you must have seen that during winters when you stand in sun, you feel the warmth, but the air surrounding you is not warm. Air surrounding you is cool, but you are getting the warmth directly from the sun and your body is getting warmer. Why is it so? Because now the heat which you are receiving is by the process of radiation. The sun is giving directly to your body with help of radiation. So it is not heating up the medium through which it is coming. It is not heating up the atmosphere or the air around us. It's only your body which is getting heated up. Though till afternoon you will feel that air has become a bit warmer because of the convection current which keeps on due to the heating up of crust, but it is not because of radiation. Radiation will only heat the person who is standing in the sun. A very formal or very normal example is your bonfire. During winters or picnics, people used to sit near the bonfire, but it's not the air which is making them hot, it's the radiation of heat which is coming from the bonfire to you, and that makes the person get heated up. These all are the example of radiation. Now this heat, the heat energy which we are gaining because of the radiation process, or any object is gaining because of the radiation process, is termed as radiant heat. Radiant heat is the heat which is received by the object by the process of radiation. Let's know more facts about radiation. As we know, radiation is the process in which no medium is required. So even if in this process a medium is present, it will never be heated up by the radiation process. Similarly, the heat absorbed by any object by the process of radiation depends upon its color and texture. Black or dark color object will absorb more heat, whereas light or dull color object will absorb less heat. The heat which is received by the process of radiation is called radiant heat. Now this radiant heat which has been observed by an object depends upon various factors like the color and the texture of the object or the temperature of the object. If we take any black color or a dull surface, that will absorb more and more of heat radiation. That means that object will become more hotter. Whereas if we take a light colored object or a polished object or polished surface, it will absorb less heat. In fact, it will start reflecting the heat. It will not absorb, it will reflect it back. There are so many applications of this property. Whenever we have to absorb heat, like during winters when we have to take more heat to our body, we used to wear dark colored clothes because it will absorb more and more amount of heat and our body will be warm. But if you just reverse happens during the summers, we use light colored cotton clothes because it will reflect back most of the heat, and the body, since it will not absorb more, so the body will remain cooler. So these are the applications which actually takes place, or which actually is used because of the radiation. And to know more how this color object they absorb or they reflect, let's do an activity. In this activity, we are going to take two similar cans in which one is painted black. We pour some water in them and put laboratory thermometer upright in them. Then we place both of them in the sun for few hours and then take the recordings in the thermometer. We can find that the temperature in case of black colored can is higher than the temperature in light colored can. This shows that black color is good absorber of heat, whereas light color is lesser absorber of heat. Similarly, if we pour water in both the cans and heat them to a point and then allow them to cool for a certain period of time, we can find that temperature in the black colored can falls faster than the temperature in light colored can. This shows that dark color also radiates heat faster than light colored can. So with this activity, you must be clear that dark color objects will absorb more heat and also will radiate heat more, whereas light color will absorb less and radiate less. Or in other words, we can say that black color is a good absorber as well as good radiator of heat, whereas light color is poor absorber as well as poor radiator of heat. By telling this, that means that black color will absorb heat very fast, and when it is cooled down it will also release heat very fast. But when we take light color, it will absorb heat very slowly, very poorly, and if it is heated to a certain temperature and then let it cool, then it will cool down very slowly. So whatever gets heated up fast also loses the heat fast, and the one which gets heated up slowly also loses the heat slowly. Okay, so these are the factors on which various applications are dependent in our daily life. Let us take a look on these. Let us understand some real life application of radiation. During summer, we prefer to wear light color clothes because we know that light colors absorbs less amount of heat radiations or infrared radiations, while reflects most of the infrared radiations back. So the person absorbs less heat and feels comfortable. Similarly, during winters, we wear black colored or dark colored cloth which is good absorber of infrared radiations and absorbs most of the heat which comes from the sun and reflects less, so it feels comfortable in winter. Similarly, the room heaters have polished surface so that they absorb less heat and reflect most of the heat in the room. Another example we can say is the application in cooking utensils. They are painted black at the back so that they absorb heat and cooking is faster. Similarly, radiators of ACs and cars, they are painted black so that the heat generated by these devices can be given out easily. I hope students, with this video you are clear with the concepts of radiation and radiant heat. In the next video, we will start with the question and answers. Till then, take care, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.